What's up guys? So, day 18, week 3 A6 MTT training. Menu for today, easy je. We do 2 times 10 tempo. We aim target 5 to 510. In between tempo, we do 3 minutes recovery jog. Don't forget to warm up and cool down. And by the way, cute or not, my bottle. Let's go.